I achieved 300K subscribers in last 6 months. So I just wanted to ask you, how can I approach more clients and get people on board as a clipper?
Hello, is it Rishi Sharma?
Yes,
Alright, Rishi, tell me about yourself and how can I help you?
I am Rishi Sharma. I am from Nagpur. I
Okay,
work on multiple YouTube channels in short form content and I target US and Canada.
okay,
So I just wanted to ask you, how can I approach more clients and get people on board as a clipper?
okay. How many clients do you have right now?
I don't have any clients. I just have a proof of concept that I achieved 300K subscribers in last 6 months.
So just make more faceless channels. Just stop trying to make a clipping agency. Cause trust me, bro, there are clippers out there doing clips for $1 a video. How are you gonna make money out of that? Just grow YouTube channels and earn from ad revenue.
I was just focusing on that. I make around $1,500 a month.
Through what?
YouTube Shorts, AdSense.
Exactly. Just do that. Why are you trying to make a clipping agency?
I was just thinking about expanding in this niche.
Yeah, it does not make any sense.
Okay, so I should just stick with YouTube Shorts.
Just make content on YouTube and earn from ad revenue. Just make like 10 faceless channels and just grow that. I know faceless YouTubers who have like 10 channels and are making like $200,000 a month. You are in an amazing niche, bro. Why do you want to make a clipping agency? It's trash. It does not even make any money.
I just got this thought today, so I thought I should try and get your advice on that.
Yeah, just delete that thought. It's a useless thought.
Okay,
I
thanks
hope
for
I.
your advice.
Yeah, you're welcome, bro. I hope I was helpful.
Okay, thank you.
Have a nice day. Bloody hell, kid is making $1,500 a month through YouTube AdSense through his YouTube channel. Why the fuck is he trying to make a clipping agency where he has zero clients?